Hey you guys, so it's Jessica with Jessica Chats, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a eyebrow tutorial. It's going to be on a basic brow and then an eyebrow with concealer, so you'll get two different type of eyebrow looks. Stay tuned, keep watching, subscribe and like. Let's get started. Chad, sorry I've been away for so long, but I'm back and ready to make some great videos with you guys. In the caption underneath this video, I am going to link what I've been up to, the video of what I've been up to since I've been MIA, as well as my eyebrow tutorial, my very first eyebrow tutorial. Today, I'm going to just give you an updated version on the eyebrow tutorial. I'm going to do a brow pencil on one side and then the brow pencil plus concealer on the other side. So you'll get your two different looks. The one with just the brow pencil is more of a basic look, especially as we're coming into summer. So you don't want to wear a lot of makeup, or if you don't want to go through the hustle bustle of all that makeup and concealer and all that. What I'm going to do is just show you the very easy way on how to do your eyebrow to it'll make a big difference, a very big difference. So without further ado, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and like this video, and let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to kind of clean your brow up. So you're going to take a brow brush, real simple. This is an e.l.f. brow brush, and you're just going to clean it up. And you do this for both times if you're just doing a natural look on your eyebrow, you are going to clean it up as well. And if you're doing concealer with it, you're still having to clean it up, because what you're doing now is going to get any loose hairs that are not falling in the right place. And if you need to, you can take this brow razor, and then all you're going to do is just clean it up in here. Then if you need to get up top, you're just scraping away and cleaning up the eyebrow. Scraping away the loose hairs, the wild hairs, and you're just cleaning the brow up. So today, I'm going to be using a Wet n Wild brown eyebrow pencil. Normally, my go-to has been Revlon, but the Revlon brow pencils are like in $10. So I wanted to see if I can get something that can work well on my eyebrow and still be affordable. And so far, the Wet n Wild brow pencil has done justice. Mind you, you do have to have a sharpener, because it's an old school style of a pencil. It's just a basic brow pencil. So you will have to sharpen it. But I do think with this type of a pencil, you get more usage out of this than with my Revlon brow pencil, because it's like this big of a stick actually inside the brow pencil. So I was gonna see if I had it, but I don't feel like doing it like that. So let's get back into the brow. And like I said, once you've cleaned up that brow with your brow razor and the brow brush, then you're going to go ahead and line it up. Okay, so you can already see the difference, right? So you have the brow pencil, and that's all that I did. I shaped it up. I've already had my eyebrow kind of shaped up because I did that like a couple of days ago, so I didn't have to really do too much maintenance on my eyebrow. But what I did do is kind of just shaped up the edges in here to make sure there's no loose hair. And then I just brushed it out with the brow brush and then lined it with the eyebrow pencil. So this is just your basic eyebrow, only using an eyebrow pencil. So this eyebrow look can be good for the summer. No concealer, No makeup whatsoever, just the eyebrow pencil and your brush, and you're good to go. Now, I know some people do like to use a bit of a highlighter underneath their brow, even if they're not using makeup or a concealer to conceal their eyebrow and to shape it up better. But I'm just giving you the basic eyebrow with just the pencil, okay? So that's this look here. Now I'm going to move over to this side of my eyebrow using the concealer. So we have the first eyebrow look, and then you have the undone, untouched version. So we'll do the eyebrow pencil and the concealer on this eyebrow. Okay, you guys, so this is the eyebrow using the brow brush, the CoverGirl concealer, and then the Wet n Wild eyebrow stick, or the eyebrow pencil, I'm sorry. So as you can see, I kind of have like a little bump right there, and I don't know where it came from, you guys, but it just came. So what I did was I just brushed it out. Again, I shaped it with a little bit with the brow shaper, and then I used the brow brush to clean it up, and the brow pencil from Wet n Wild to draw the brow, and just give it a better look. So the concealer is the CoverGirl concealer. Then I use the Wet n Wild brow brush. I'm sorry, brow pencil, and then I use the e.l.f. brow brush to do this look. So this is your basic brow, no concealer, just the brow pencil, and then you have the brow with the concealer and the brow pencil. So you can, like I say, this is good for summer. You don't want to have makeup on, perfect. If you're putting makeup on, you want to do this look, it's easy, it's simple. You can do it and be done for the day. So this was a quick little brow video on both sides of my brow, 2 different styles. I hope you like this video. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button to like it, and then if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you hit the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel. I will be doing more videos. I'm sorry I've been MIA, but this is Jessica Chat, and thanks for chatting with me, you guys.